Good afternoon, amigos, from
Mexico City.
Today we have an extremely important piece of mail to open in front of you guys.
It is a beautiful day here in Parque Mexico in Condesa. Now, a few months ago, you guys were the very first to let us know of a huge milestone. That is 100,000 of you all, our favorite people on earth, our subscribers here on YouTube. Now, we got a very important piece of mail over the Christmas holidays, picked it up in the United States, brought it back to Mexico with us, and today we want to open that with you.
Okay, now for the moment of truth.
I feel nervous. Hopefully it's not gonna be a t-shirt.
Here you go.
That's the wrong side of the knife.
We have the box unsealed. Are you ready for this?
I'm so nervous.
Let's give it a go.
Are you sure? Are you really sure?
I'm sure.
Phew, phew, phew.
Another layer. Okay, what does it say first? Hold on, we'll not show the...
On top is a letter. It says, "You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel." That's you guys. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor, too. Glad they recognized. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognize you. And
unless someone steals our plaque on the way home.
And all of your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Congratulations, the CEO of YouTube, Susan.
Thank you, Susan.
Aww. Okay, and now the most nerve-wracking and exciting part of our day, and maybe yours. Although it's probably a lame day.
Whoa. It's huge.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
How shiny. Que brillante. Can see your reflection, your shadow.
Oh, that's awesome.
Wow. Okay, now we have decorations for the house.
Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. They misspelled our name, but I'm just kidding. This one's for you. To all of you who are still here after watching some of our first videos in Vallarta like these.
On our way to Coco's, one of our favorite breakfast places.
Welcome back. Oh my goodness, I'm happy to see you.
Alright, now we're gonna make our trip to Walmart.
Exotic Walmart.
Hay muchas partes son peligrosos.
En Estados Unidos
Sí.
es más peligroso.
Sí,
Muy bien.
gracias. ¿Cómo se llama?
José,
José, Greg.
Grey, ¿qué es Gregorio?
Gregorio, sí.
Pollo.
We found Trump's wall.
Universal de la Paz.
Alright, it is time to go for morning workout. Let's go.
gonna go see the beach. We can hear it in the mornings. Morning time's the only time we can hear the beach or the water, because then after that,
It's a party.
it starts getting pretty loud around town. So we're gonna go see what all the fuss is about. There's a few less people here at the beach today. I don't know why.
6:45 a.m.
Time to run. Almost stepped on a pigeon.
There is no way anybody that watched those first few videos, Uzurati and Betty, ever thought we would hit 100,000 subscribers. We never thought we'd hit 100,000 subscribers. We still can't believe it. We're still just two goofballs in Mexico that have pretty much no idea what we're doing. But
Not much has changed. You have been with us during some of the best times of our lives, from jumping off waterfalls churros,
Churros rellenos, churros calientitos. Churros rellenos, churros calientitos.
to singing in the streets.
Ay, 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 ay. Canta y no llores, porque cantando le regresé con lindos corazones.
I don't think we're drunk enough for this tour.
No, we're not.
And just discovering some of the best food, like going to the Guelaguetza in Oaxaca.
This is madness.
It's amazing.
Really cool. I've never seen so many colors. Screaming our heads off during El Grito in the Zocalo.
How many thousands of people?
There's probably at least 30,000 people. No, at least, I don't know.
¡Viva!
¡Viva Hidalgo!
¡Viva!
¡Viva Morelos!
¡Viva!
¡Viva Josefa Ortiz de Domínguez!
¡Viva!
¡Viva Aldama!
¡Viva!
¡Viva Galeana!
¡Viva!
¡Viva Matamoros!
¡Viva!
¡Viva Guerrero! ¡Viva la independencia nacional! ¡Viva! ¡Viva México! ¡Viva! ¡Viva México! ¡Viva! ¡Viva México!
You've also been with us through some of the most trying times of our adult lives, like when I lost my job. Hola amigos, today is February 6th, 2018, and yesterday, about 27 hours ago from right now, I got fired from my job. Sort of. The firm is no longer comfortable with having an employee working in Mexico. Or when Greg and I were in Mexico City during our first earthquake.
Alright, earthquake alarm is going off. Hold on, Hill. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay.
Oh my god.
How did you know what that was?
I saw everyone jumping and running. I had no idea. You have supported us in our endeavors to give back to this beautiful country through the Roathon in Vallarta.
Alright, last time oh no, here we are. We've done 431,210 meters, so 431 kilometers. Our goal was 330, so all this green is extra. So we're gonna see if we can go there, and then I think we need to put a line over here and go back. Thanks for the thumbs up.
To our 100K for hunger here in Mexico City.
How many kilometers are we walking today?
30!
Buenos dias amigos from
La Ciudad de Mexico.
Today we are starting our 100K for hunger campaign. We are walking 100 kilometers in 100 hours to raise 100,000 pesos for Alimento para Todos.
I'm nervous.
Pretty nervous. Time starts in about 10 minutes. The only preparation we did was drinking about a half cup coffee.
And a banana. Let's do it.
5 kilometers, okay. Only 25 more to go for the day, amigos. We're going much slower than I expected.
Yeah.
Not feeling so hot.
This is a big city.
We did it. 30 kilometers in one day.
Exactly.
Taking a focus? Yeah, 30 kilometers exactly.
And to the fundraiser that we are actually planning right now.
And lastly, and most importantly, you've been there with us every day in between. You've laughed with us, you've supported us, and you've been along our everyday journey for almost 2 years now. This one's for you, all of you. Thank you.
Thank you all so much for watching. We truly cannot believe this day has come, and we really owe it to each and every one of you, and hopefully you all are celebrating just as much, if not more, than we are. After all, once we hit 100,000 subscribers, you all raised over 200,000 pesos, and that really means a whole lot more than any subscriber number, and I don't know, you're all doing wonderful things for Mexico, and we truly appreciate it.
Thank you guys so much for watching this special video. Be sure and subscribe to our channel. Click the bell, that way you get notified.
Cada vez.
We post a video, and we will see you, all 100,000 of you.
Mañanita.
Up to